Welcome to a new era of web design, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we create stunning websites. Today, we'll explore AI-powered design tools that are transforming the digital landscape, offering both efficiency and creativity to tech-savvy individuals around the world. Imagine a world where creating a visually appealing website is not just for seasoned professionals, but accessible to anyone with a vision. One of the biggest challenges in web design has always been bridging the gap between creativity and technical skill. But now, AI tools are stepping in to eliminate these barriers, making design more intuitive and accessible than ever. Let's dive into some of the most exciting AI tools currently available. First, there's AI-driven layout generators. These tools analyze your content and automatically suggest the best layouts, ensuring that your website not only looks good, but functions seamlessly. Next, consider AI-enhanced image editing software. These programs allow you to optimize images instantly, enhancing quality and ensuring they fit perfectly within your design. No more manual tweaking, just stunning visuals, ready at your fingertips. And then we have AI-based color palette generators. These tools help you choose color schemes that are visually pleasing and consistent with your brand identity. But what does this mean for the future of web design? AI is not here to replace designers, but to empower them. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up more time for creativity, allowing designers to focus on what they do best, creating unique and engaging web experiences. Moreover, as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that will further enhance the web design process. From personalized user experiences to real-time optimization, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, AI-powered design tools are not just a trend, they are the future of web design. They offer solutions to common challenges and open up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. So why wait? Start exploring these tools today and unlock the full potential of your web design projects. Thank you for joining us in this exciting exploration of AI in web design. Remember to subscribe for more insights into the world of